Hey guys, what's up? E aí galera, beleza? My name is Letícia and this is my second video here on this channel and in YouTube. And I'm here to teach you a bit about my language, which is Brazilian Portuguese. So, let's go. Vamos lá. My tip today is gonna be about the sound. Because I know it's a very difficult sound, very difficult pronunciation for non-Portuguese speakers. And to begin, I got some simple words with the sound at the end, and I will tell you guys and then explain better about the pronunciation. Let's start. Mão, mão, hand. Não, não, which is the opposite of sim, sim. Não, sim. No and yes. Pão, bread, pão. Cão, dog, cão. And we have another word for dog, which is cachorro. Cachorro and cão means the same. Feijão. Feijão is beans. Feijão. And one of the most popular food here in Brazil is feijão com arroz. Beans with rice, or rice and beans. Arroz e feijão. Arroz is rice, feijão, beans. And I know some people that are learning Brazilian Portuguese, and some of them are really fluent. But when they say this sound, it's more opened than it should be, like ow, now. And it's actually more nasal and more closed, like no. So I try to think some words in English that reminds me the sound of this in Portuguese. And I got honey, honey, no. Money, no. Sunny, mão. And we have a lot of words in Portuguese that this at the end, it's a very useful and used suffix, which is the ion suffix in English. Action, ação, action, ação. Or exceção, exception, exceção. Impressão, impression, impressão. Concepção, conception, concepção. Inspiração, inspiration, inspiração. Aquisição, acquisition, aquisição. So when you see these words in English that have this ion suffix, you can already guess it will be this sound in Portuguese. And this sound in Portuguese can also work as another type of suffix for augmentative words. And this augmentative suffix are to indicate a larger size of something or to show intensity. And then I'll give you some examples. Lata. Lata means can. Latão, a big can. Lata, latão. Janela, window. Janelão, big window. Tempo, time. Tempão, a long time. Calor, hot. Calorão, too hot. Okay, to show intensity, to exaggerate. This is my tip for today. I hope you guys like it and see you next video. Vejo vocês no próximo vídeo. Tchau!